The parliamentary panel has raised huge concerns, looks like, around how that ONGC stake sale was finally rescued at the last minute by state-owned LIC, and even has asked now the insurance regulator, that's the IRDA, to look into LIC's investment into ONGC's share sale. Let's chat then with our policy editor, Supriya Srinath, who's joining us live from New Delhi with more on that story. Supriya.
That's right. I mean, huge concerns have indeed been raised by the parliamentary panel, which wants the IRDA, the insurance regulator, to probe LIC's investment into the ONGC stake sale. Remember, about 44 crore odd shares were on auction. Bids were received for only 42 crores, and 37 crore of those shares really went to just one party, and that was LIC. So the revenue that the government raked in with this was about 12,700 crore. Upwards of 11,000 crore came in from just one party, and that is perhaps why fingers and eyebrows are being raised at LIC and the mode of investment by a state-owned insurance giant like the Life Insurance Corporation of India. Now, the standing committee has put its review and put its report on the table. These recommendations will of course be taken up by the government. These are not binding on the government, but good governance has always suggested that government does take up the standing committee's recommendations and acts on them. If the government decides to act on them, it will have to perhaps get IRDA into the picture. But all along, everybody in the finance ministry and also in the divestment department has so far maintained that there were no anomalies. There was nothing wrong with the way the ONGC auction had happened. So wonder what happens with these recommendations. But the standing committee, headed by Yashwant Sinha, is not happy at all with the way the ONGC auction had progressed. He did speak to us earlier in the day. Let's hear him out.
LIC सरकारी कंपनी है और ONGC का जो डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट था वो जिस दिन हो रहा था वो कहीं जा नहीं रहा था, तो बिल्कुल अंतिम समय में आके LIC ने वो पैसे भर दिए ONGC के डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए। तो जिस तरह जल्दीबाजी दिखाई गई LIC के द्वारा, और जाहिर है कि LIC सरकारी कंपनी है तो सरकार के दबाव में ही किया होगा। अगर उनको पहले पता होता है कि बहुत बढ़िया ये डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट हो रहा है ONGC का, तो पहले से वो तैयारी करके रखते हैं।